Hello, and welcome to today's practice. Grab your mat and allow yourself to go and sit down on your knees. Close your eyes for a moment, find a peaceful place. And with a breath in, bring your arms above your head. Let them slide to your heart center, setting the intention for today's class, for your practice, for you being present and listening to your body. Have a gentle bow to yourself. And let's begin with bringing our chin to our chest. Breathe out and breathe in back. Open that neck. Breathe out forward and breathe in open, finding more flexibility in our neck region, waking up that area. And just two more. Breathe in on your way up. Breathe out, go a little further with your bow. Breathe in, open, and breathe out. Interlace your fingers, stretch them in front of you, and gently curve your chest. And with the opening, gentle arch and forward. Go a little bit lower with your chest and with your arms. Breathe in, open that chest. Breathe out, forward and a little lower with your arms. And open on your breath in. Allow your chest to become a little bit more supple. Listening to your body with your breath. Bring your arms behind your head and bow forward. And we're going to rotate to our right, to the back, and all the way to the other side. And reverse to your left, open through the back, checking all the ribs availability, and forward. One more time to the right, with a breath in when your chest opens, and breath out when you bow forward. Reverse, open to your left, breathe in, open your ribs, and breathe out. Find that nice curve. Release your arms. Go ahead and tuck your toes behind you. And maybe open your knees if that feels a little bit more comfortable. For me it does. We're going to go and elevate the pelvis. Open the heart. And bring them down. Breathe out. Every time we arch, we breathe in. So go ahead and breathe in on your arch. Open the chest. If you need a little adjustment, you can use the blocks under your arms so it can be a little bit higher. And breathe out, go down. Just one more. Breathe in, open that chest, bring your pelvis a little bit forward. And breathe out, bring your pelvis down. And we're going to go ahead and transition, bringing something soft to sit under, or maybe the yoga block, with a breath in. Place your right arm to the side. Gonna just check our availability in our ribs. Listen to your left seat bone pulling you down. And allow your spine to elongate here. Move your neck around, releasing the tension. Breathe in. Bring yourself all the way up. And with another breath, both arms up. And with a breath out, bend to the left side. Release that tension in your neck. Wiggle your head if you need to. Listen to your right seat bone, bringing it closer to the ground. Elongating your spine. And bringing yourself all the way up. Take your pillow or block away if you are sitting on one. Tuck your toes behind you, and we're going to shift our weight back and forward. Breathe in and back, and you can roll a little bit further, as much as your body allows. Maybe place your knees almost on the ground, but let your knees hover so you still hold your weight. Shift your weight back, finding that range in our hips, and forward and back. Breathe out and forward, and step forward with your arms. Open your right shin. I'm gonna go ahead and find a flat line here. Align your shoulders in one line and lift your left leg off the ground. I'm gonna go for some leg lifts. Elevate it up and down. Here, very important to make sure that our hips are leveled, that the ribs are traveling in. Suspend the leg just to engage, bringing a little bit more power to our legs, and we're going to go up and bend to the side, finding a little bit more range in our whole spine, and vertical, and bend a little further. Let your left arm glide on your leg so you can really control how much you hold yourself with your ribs, with your abdominals, with your sides, or how much you want to use your arm. See what your body needs. Transitioning back, suspend that leg, engage your inner thighs, and go ahead on both knees and rotate to the other side on your left knee. Open your chest. Bring your pelvis slightly forward, finding one line, allowing your pelvis to stay above your knee. And just a few lifts of the leg. Just waking up the muscles here. You can also go ahead and suspend your leg in the air if that feels nicer, which we're going to do anyways right now. Keep breathing. Lower your leg down and bring your chest up and bend over, finding more range in your spine, and come back. Breathe out and bend further. Breathe in, come up. And breathe out. Keep on opening your shoulder blades here. And just the last one. Bring yourself back. Go ahead and find your transition going down. Suspend the leg for another few breaths here. Keep engaging your inner thighs. Lower the leg gently. And go ahead to tuck your toes, coming back to down facing dog. Finding a few deep breaths here and sending the wave forward to the arch and coming back to a down facing dog. And sending the wave forward, place your knees on the ground with a breath in. Find that nice cow arch and back to down facing dog. 2 more like that. Slowly with control, place your knees down. Find that chest opening. Breathe in. Breathe out. Find a good stretch in your hamstrings. Last one, send a full wave to your plank position. Hold the navel in and come back to a down facing dog. Send a full wave to your plank position and down facing dog. 2 more like that. Send a full wave, engaging your navel. Let your shoulder blades come together. And bring your pelvis back. Reach way forward. Bend your knees. Tuck your toes and go ahead to a child's pose. Release. I like to open up my knees to create a little bit more space for the belly to go in. To let go in your spine a little further. Breathe to the back of your ribs here. And slowly walk up with your hands. Transition to your sit bones. And go ahead and lay down all the way on your back. Bring your knees, hug your knees. Wiggle from side to side. And stretch your legs all the way up. And place your arms under your ass cheeks, under your glutes, and we're going to lower one leg and up, and the other one. Just engaging a little bit more on lower belly work. And you can also go ahead and bend your leg and your knee, like I'm demonstrating here, to take out the pressure. So whatever feels good for your body, you can keep your legs straight or bend. Working on the lower belly muscles here. Deeper layer, pull your navels in. Stretch both legs and go ahead to a happy baby pose here. Bringing your knees a little bit closer to the ground. Finding that space in your chest here, very important. Open everything. Release your leg and bring your right leg over your left knee. We're gonna release a lot of tension from our lower back, from our glutes. Listen to your body. If that feels good, just stay there. Or I'm gonna go for a few pelvis lifts here. 4, slowly and with control. And 3, elevate your pelvis. And 2, listen how the back of your legs is working. And keep on breathing here. And last one, elevated. And with control, bring it all the way down. Slide your right leg over. And we're gonna go for a gentle twist here. If that feels good, feel free to look to the opposite direction, to your right. If your knees are on the left now, to find a full twist in your spine. And gently bring your knees back. And deepen the stretch. Grab your ankles. And see if you want to pull them a little closer to you. A gentle checkup with our body. Breathe out. Unwind your legs and switch, bringing your left ankle around your right knee. And the same like on the other side. Find a nice stretch in your glutes here. Let go of any unnecessary tension. And breathe. Breathe deeper. Release your knee or stay there. And we'll go for a few pelvis lifts. Engaging the back sides of our legs. Waking them up for 3, and 2. Pull your navel in, keep breathing. And last one, control the going up and control going down slowly. Slide your leg inward and let your knees fold to the right. Find a nice twist, and if that feels good, look to your left or look to your right. Listen to your body, what your body needs, what feels good. And gently bring your knees back up, just to deepen our stretch a little further, grabbing those ankles. Enjoying a deeper stretch. Let go. And go ahead and unwind your legs. Find a gentle rocking in your pelvis until you move to your right side. And go all the way up. I suggest you find a pillow to place under your lower back and just elevate your legs to bring all the blood from our legs down to our heart, to our brain. Let go here and just let your body do the work. Bring your attention to your breath. Listen how you can slow down your breath and expand your ribs even more. And you can stay there or gently come up and finish up with me. Come into a cross-legged position. Breathe out. Find your center. With a breath in, bring your arms above your head into a prayer position. Let them slide down to your heart center. Bow to yourself for being present today, for giving yourself this time, for keeping your mind quiet and calm, and connecting to your creativity and the life force and love. Thank you for joining me today. Stay safe and healthy. Namaste. I hope to see you next time. Have a wonderful, wonderful day.